Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with your boy King Jules. I am your host King Jules, and I'm so excited to have you guys here with me today. If it's your first time being here, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video from me. And if you've been here before, y'all are my family, y'all are my kinfolk, and nothing can change that. I do not want any responsibility of cooking Thanksgiving dinner, but I decided to cook a nice little Thanksgiving breakfast. You might be watching this a little bit after Thanksgiving, but this is also a dish that you can make any time of the year. With that being said, let's get into today's dish. You can find the ingredients right here and also down here in the description. Passing up on my always, I can't blame you. No. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my always, I can't blame you. No. Just from a distance, I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my always, I can't blame you. No. Passionate from miles away. So now that the dish is all put together, we're gonna place it in the oven for roughly about 20 to 25 minutes. Seeing you got ritualistic. So, first time taste test.
Yes. Okay, let's see what you're working with.
Yes.
That's
that
delicious.
is really delicious.
Oh my goodness, this is fire.
Y'all don't know what y'all missing.
The sweet potato is cooked to perfection. And you know what? You made me a believer, Julien.
Yes.
The chicken sausage are absolutely delicious.
Yeah, there was skepticism.
I repent for not believing that I could eat them.
It's really good.
And with the scallions on top, oh my goodness, this is something I could eat every morning for breakfast.
Yep, that's the goal.
Fire.
How's it with the eggs?
It's really good with the eggs. I mean, the chicken sausage almost tastes like kielbasa.
It's delicious.
Regular pork style kielbasa.
It has a nice little spice to it. Loving this.
Try this.
You saw firsthand. I don't even need the taste to tell you. This is somebody else's opinion other than mine. It is the truth. It is a very simple dish. It should take you no longer than 35 minutes to prep and cook the dish. It's a very easy dish to set up for your week. You can meal plan it. Honestly, it's better the second day than it is the first day. Altogether, it is a very easy dish for you to try. Please, if you decide to try this dish, be sure to tag me on your pictures on Instagram or send me your videos or drop a comment and just let me know how it was for you. I appreciate the feedback. Something that I failed to mention is that I officially have a Patreon account. I really appreciate you guys if you will go and subscribe to my Patreon account. There are 3 tiers of amenities that you can get on my Patreon account. I would love to have you guys a part of my family and get some exclusive content from me. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Much love, peace, and joy to you all.